So I've been seeing a lot of statuses claiming Muti girls are losing their morals because Naspushuho is live. So we are fine with being side chicks. It's because Sikate Lukal. So one of the things we want to leave behind in 2017. So on the 31st Emini or Exeni, you're gonna write a paragraph to your boyfriend if you have one. You're gonna tell him it's funny how our famous line. It's funny how wara. In conclusion, wara. I know this motherfucking nigga is gonna reply and say, what do you mean? Ngikhulumtshela ukuthi ngichaza ukuthi sizophinda isiZulu. Ngichaza ukuthi ngiyafeba emva kwalokho. In the sense, so WhatsApp, so Instagram, ama DM maningi guys, so dlamba fan lokukhala wahlezi watetema nje wena. Akanendaba futhi now siyafeba akho kuku yaphela la lokuthu kuku yaphela wara akho kuku yaphela lana kade abantu bebezala khona abantu abanama siblings 16 ufuna ungitshela ukuthi kwingane yesi9 ubaba ekhaya akazange abone ikuku siphelile. Hawu kahleni as iCFO yaka DA angisasho ke le Helen Zille yaka disappointment logistics khoma numbers manje because sebestila ngeinumber next day stila nga5 nga6 nga7 nga8 siya feba sikhathele nje nina losikhelente engekho shame mina nje umhla 31 I want to be surrounded by dicks ngiyadla ngiyaphuma siyadliwa siyadlula kudilwa nodla everything nje inodla udliwe wadlula kwenzalani because at the end of the day you always be a bitch. Either way, to a guy you always be a bitch. Ngono ke akubize ngesifebe mntama wazi ukuthi ubhizi nje uyafeba. Akho kuku yaphela. Funa umtshela njalo umfana manje uthi akho kuku yaphela. Yeah. Bye.